Welcome to Driver Quiz. In this video, we'll review 40 essential U.S. road signs and their meanings, the ones every driver must know. We'll go through them in 3 categories: regulatory signs, warning signs, and guide signs. At the end of each category, we'll have a quick mini quiz to test what you've learned. Let's get started. Regulatory signs. Stop. Come to a complete stop before proceeding. Yield. Give the right of way to other vehicles or pedestrians. Speed limit. Maximum allowed speed in this area. No U-turn. U-turns are not allowed here. One way. Traffic flows only in the direction shown. Do not enter. Road is closed to traffic from your direction. No parking. Stopping or parking is prohibited. Parking. Area where parking is permitted. Bicycle lane. Reserved for bicycles only. Handicap parking. Reserved for disabled drivers. Emergency vehicle only. Access restricted to emergency vehicles. Keep right. Stay to the right of the divider. Wrong way. You are driving in the wrong direction. Turn around immediately. What does the sign with a curved arrow and a red slash across it mean? Correct. No U-turn. A red and white triangular sign pointing downward means great job. Yield. A white sign with a red circle and a letter P crossed out means awesome. No parking. Warning signs. School zone. Slow down. Children may be crossing. Pedestrian crossing. Be ready to stop for people on foot. Merge. Traffic from another lane will join yours. Slippery when wet. Reduce speed to avoid skidding. Lane ends. Merge safely into the next lane. Roundabout ahead. Prepare to yield and enter the circle. Construction ahead. Slow down. Workers may be present. Deer crossing. Watch for animals crossing the road. Divided highway begins. Road splits with a median ahead. Divided highway ends. Median ends, two-way traffic ahead. Low clearance, height restriction for vehicles. Narrow bridge. Roadway narrows over the bridge. Signal ahead. Warns drivers of an upcoming traffic signal. Falling rocks. Watch for debris on the road. Rocks may fall from the hillside. Drive with caution. A dead end. No outlet ahead. Detour. Temporary route change due to construction. Right curve ahead. Road curves to the right. Left curve ahead. Road curves to the left. Winding road. Series of curves ahead. Drive carefully. Stop ahead. Warns drivers of a stop sign ahead when it isn't clearly visible. Crossroad ahead. Intersection with another road ahead. T-intersection. Road ends, must turn left or right. Truck crossing. Large vehicles may enter or cross the road. Hill, steep grade. Prepare for steep uphill or downhill. Playground. Children may be playing nearby, slow down. A yellow diamond sign with a plus symbol indicates great job! Crossroad ahead. What does this sign mean? Correct. Winding road. Do you know the meaning of this sign? Divided highway begins. Guide signs. Hospital. Medical facility nearby. Drive carefully. Rest area. Place to stop and rest ahead. Airport. Airplane traffic may be near the road. Gas station. Fuel station available ahead. Interstate highway. Entrance to an interstate highway route. Exit. Indicates exit point from the highway. Food. Services like restaurants available nearby. What does this sign mean? Correct. Rest area. A blue square sign with a large white H indicates hospital. Great job! You've reviewed 40 key U.S. road signs. Knowing them makes you a safer and more confident driver. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next lessons. Share it with someone preparing for their driving test. Thanks for watching, keep practicing, and see you in the next video.